the last year the band existed, there were about 63 members in that band. Dr. Nolan's vision was that the first year, just getting started out, we would probably just be a pep band that sat in the stands, and then hopefully by the next year we would have about 100 people on the field. This area is rich in talent and in support. We have wonderful high school band programs, middle school band programs, and so I sensed fairly quickly that we could push that timeline ahead. And so with the university's help in securing the uniforms and instruments, we actually started a year ahead of schedule with 168 members, which is over 100 of what the last band had been, and we were very excited about that. By the third year, we had broken 200, and for the past few years, we've continued to set a new school record each year. They love performing. They love ETSU. They love representing ETSU. They are all into the game day experience and supporting the team and entertaining the crowd. And it's just a phenomenal group of kids. And even though there's a lot of them, it's still very much a family atmosphere. And I think that's what draws students to us, and I think that's why the students that are in it stay.